Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by targeting routing, not preferences. Open Logic, choose your audio interface in Audio Preferences, then create the track you'll hear from. Select the correct input channel that matches your mic or line source and turn on Input Monitoring, the I button. Once done, enable Low Latency mode to reduce delay. Make sure the device's hardware monitoring is set correctly if you rely on the interface. These steps guarantee a signal path exists so monitoring can work. Next, focus on latency and processing. You want a small I/O buffer size, try 64 or 128 samples, so you hear yourself in near real time. If you use heavy plugins like vocoders or linear phase EQs, bypass them while tracking or freeze other tracks to free CPU. Logic's low latency mode helps, but check for any plugin that forces extra delay and either replace it or use the monitoring plugin. Make adjustments while listening so you can balance clarity and finish by arming the track to record and confirming the master output and bus routing are unmuted so you actually hear signal through speakers or headphones. If latency still bothers you, switch to direct monitoring on your audio interface to monitor pre-Logic with zero delay, then route a blend if available. If you hear nothing, double-check cables, input gain, sample rate matching between device and Logic, and that the correct device driver is selected. One troubleshooting tip: restart both Logic and the interface after changing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.